sister, Rita. Someone asked me about Jean Dawson, and the song is called Clear Bones. And this is a good beginner song. It's kind of got this riff, G, but you're just playing it on the lowest two strings. Get your middle finger on the A string at 2, and your ring finger on the E string at 3. And then you're kind of strumming, but maybe leave off the top. Just go down to like the B string or the G. And then we're going to take that same shape and move down one string set. So now our middle's on the D string at 2, and our ring is on the A string at 3. And then if you can manage it, get your pinky on B string at 2. That's for both the verse and the chorus. And then during the second verse, they go G. They go to an A minor. They add an A minor. If you want to play that as a power chord, you could just play an A power chord. Little riff too. It's like open position, 3 open, so you're doing a pull off. Do the same thing on the B string. Go to your G string, do a pull off, but now we're going to fret 2. Or E minor pentatonic, which you can play over the G chord. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.